Good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Sneha Gaurav Khairnar, consultant dermatologist practicing in Nasik, Maharashtra. Today, we are going to discuss a little something about different salon hair treatments and hair damage associated with them. In today's modern era of social media, when the trends are being set every day, it is very natural for us to try out these different hairstyles, hair treatments and spa treatments. These treatments involve use of chemically harsh compounds and excessive heating methods that initially give you the desired smooth, silky, well-aligned appearance of hair, in turn result in making your hair brittle, dry, extremely damaged. Many of the patients complain of excessive hair fall, and few of the patients can also complain of itching and burning sensation over the scalp. Normal healthy hair are characterized by glossy, silky, smooth, voluminous, long, pigmented hair. Natural weathering of hair is something that happens in long, unprocessed hair because of external factors such as combing, drying methods, use of drying types of shampoos, and lack of use of conditioners. Normal hair are hydrophobic, that is, they repel water because of presence of a fatty layer that is present on the outer aspect of the hair surface. Weathered hair, either by natural means or by chemical processing, they lose this fatty layer and lose the capacity to repel the water and become porous, allowing the water to enter into the deeper layers of the hair, making them swollen and brittle. Broadly, a normal hair has three important layers: outermost cuticle, middle layer of cortex, and innermost medulla. The cuticular cells of the outermost layer of the hair are arranged in flap-like manners, and they are responsible for hair rigidity and protection from the external factors. It is also the very first layer to receive the most damage during heat styling and chemical treatments. Hence, protection of this layer and proper conditioning with appropriate hair care products is very crucial in restoration of the normal health of the damaged hair strands. The middle layer, that is cortex, is the most important layer of the hair when it comes to hair strength, hair color and structure of the hair, either in the form of wavy, curly or straight patterns. This layer is rich in cystine and keratin molecules. The cystine molecules are attached to one another with disulfide bonds, and these bonds are particularly targeted during various chemical treatments like chemical straightening. The innermost layer, that is medulla, is present only in pigmented hair and carries a little less importance when it comes to different chemical hair treatments. There are different hair treatments that are available at the salons. They include grooming techniques, chemical treatments and spa treatments. Grooming techniques include hot blow dry methods and heat straightening. Chemical treatments comprise of mainly the permanent hair straightening, perming, BKT, that is Brazilian keratin treatment, and carbocystine treatments. Spa treatments mainly comprise of deep conditioning, which are actually helpful for the dry and damaged hair. Frequent hair grooming techniques like hot blow dries and heat straightening can lead to repetitive damage to the cuticle of the hair. The damaged cuticle will expose the inner cortex to the external environment, and this will facilitate the formation of split ends, frayed ends, and easy breakage of the hair in severe cases. Hence, it is very important to use heat protectant sprays that coat the cuticular layer evenly to ensure the even distribution of the heat to the hair follicle. Holding the hair dryer at least at a distance of 15 cm from the hair will also reduce the damage to the hair strands. But whenever possible, try to avoid these heating methods and keep their frequency at the lowest. Using hot irons for the straightening 2 to 3 times a month is acceptable when very high temperatures are not used, and heat protectant sprays are used before the straightening. Chemical straightening is a permanent method of hair straightening where hair structure is permanently transformed into straight alignment by breaking the bonds that are present in the cortex of the hair. The process essentially requires damage to the cuticular layer of the hair, which allows easy passage of the chemicals into the cortex, where the chemical bonds are broken and hair becomes more relaxed, soft and straight in alignment. Normal pH of hair is between 4.5 to 5, and the products used during such treatments have pH ranging from 9 to 14. This leads to opening of the cuticles and severe damage to the hair. Hence, various specialized shampoos and conditioners are advised to prevent the further damage to the hair strands. These conditioners fill up the gaps between the opened cuticles to prevent the hair damage. It is very important to stick to these hair products to obtain the desired smooth and straightened effect for a long duration. A touch-up treatment is required generally after 3 to 4 months for the new hair growth. But it is always important to avoid repeating the same procedure over already treated hair to prevent further damage. Hair perming is essentially the similar technique where hair are curled using rollers to make them curly or wavy after breaking the hair bonds. Keratin and cysteine treatments do not coat the hair with keratin or cysteine proteins as advertised by service providers. In fact, they change the protein structure in the cortex of the hair, targeting particularly keratin or cysteine proteins. This restructuring of the proteins is not permanent and the effect weans off after 3 to 4 weeks or around 30 washes. This particular method of hair treatment has become very popular because it can be combined effectively with hair coloring methods unlike chemical hair straightening. So what are the side effects that can occur after having these treatments done? Patients can develop extremely dry, frizzy, easily breakable hair with excessive hair shedding and dandruff. So what are the tips to avoid severe damage to the hair and hair fall? Always stick to the hair products that are advised by the service provider to keep the damage of the hair to the minimum. Avoid hot blow dry methods and extreme hair styling. Do not combine hair coloring methods and chemical straightening in a single session. Deep conditioning with efficient conditioners every 15 days is very important to restore the normal health of the hair cuticles. And try to avoid bleaching and highlighting over previously treated hair. Thank you.